My Mom Drives a Taxi, written by Oscar Wilfredo Díaz Cruz, illustrated by Nazareth Mejia, published by Room to Read. On school days, Mom wakes me up. While she checks a taxi, I take a bath and get dressed. After we make breakfast, eat, and chat for a while, we leave the house. Ready for the new day, me with my violin and she with her taxi, we drive along the city's outside ring. We pick up two athlete brothers and don a floor and take them to where they work. Mom drops me at school, where I take classes in mathematics, English, and social studies. I also take music composition, but my favorite class is where we get to play our instruments. We are practicing for the end of the year school concert. I was assigned a solo because I play my violin really well. The conductor is very happy with my performance. One afternoon, Mom comes early to my school. She wants to hear the rehearsal and my performance. Afterwards, I tell her how I've gotten better with my solo. The day before the concert, Mom surprises me. She takes me shopping for elegant shoes and helps me pick an outfit for the concert. Then she chooses a dress to wear to the concert. Mom and I may be a small family, but we are a happy one. That night, Mom is tired, but she wants to listen to my solo before bedtime. While I play, she falls asleep. I'm also tired but excited. Tomorrow will be so great.